Good morning everyone, it is Bridget here from Bridget's Kitchen sharing a little travel tip with you today. Now I'm super excited because today is road trip day for the family. We're about to hop in our vehicle and drive up to the Hunter Valley and spend the weekend in one of the most beautiful parts of New South Wales, which is the Hunter Valley. It's full of the most amazing food, the most amazing wines. We're going to have an absolutely fabulous time and I'm super excited because it's not often we get to actually travel as a family in the car and do a bit of a road trip. Now the trip in itself, depending on what time we leave and how much traffic there is, because it is a Friday here in Sydney, depending on how much traffic there is, it'll probably take us about 2.5 to 3 hours to drive to the Hunter Valley. So in my mind I'm thinking 2.5 to 3 hours in the car is a fairly decent amount of time. And when you're traveling with family, and there's some adults and then there's some younger people as well, when you're traveling there is the temptation to pull over on the side of the off the side of the road and grab something that may not be ideal for you, especially if you are on a gut health program, especially if you are wanting to reduce down your gluten, your sugar, your dairy, and really look after your gut. A lot of the options that we do find on the side of the road, I'm not saying on the side of the road, but they're usually in buildings on the side of the road, they tend to not be the best option, especially if you're thinking about pulling in and grabbing some gas and then you just grab something out of the servo. Not the best idea. So I have come prepared today to share with you just a few little tips on how I literally have prepared my morning so that we can think about what we're going to eat and make sure we're eating something absolutely delicious. That is first and foremost. It has to taste really good, because if it doesn't taste good, I'm not interested. So first and foremost, it tastes delicious, but it is also amazingly good for us. It's going to fill us up, it's going to satisfy us at the same time, so we're not tempted as we're driving down the road to stop, pull over and have something that's not so great for us. So I call this my Roadie Salad. So my Roadie Salad, it's down here on the bench. I'm going to pull the video down so the camera down so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is, there you go, this is my Roadie Salad, and this is what I prepared this morning. And first and foremost, does not look absolutely fantastic. Like, this is just such a wonderful idea. It's not even just for a road trip. Let's just say that you are preparing something to take into the office. This is fantastic, and it's so simple to make. It may look really confusing and like it's hard work. It literally took me 5 minutes to pull together. So firstly, the first thing that we have here on this side of the container is some leftover protein from last night. It is some chicken. I made jerk chicken, and yes, I'm going to be sharing the recipe for my fabulous Jamaican style jerk chicken with you guys tomorrow. That recipe goes live for my jerk chicken. I also have, and for people who know me well, they know how much I love my pickled onions. So these are my own special prebiotic, gut healthy, sugar-free pickled onions that I make that take literally 10 seconds to make. I also have some healthy fats. I've got some almonds and I've got some hazelnuts in there. So that's kind of my protein side there. But I've got a little bit more protein here as well. Just some air-fried eggs. Have you guys seen my video for I'm just going to talk to you very quickly. Have you guys seen my video for air fried eggs? So you can literally, I did these eggs, look how good they are. I did those eggs there in the air fryer. So simple to do. If you've got an air fryer, turn it on at 170 degrees Celsius, which is 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Pop your whole raw eggs into your air fryer and cook them for 7 minutes, and you will get that. You see, perfectly soft, lovely yolk, but firm enough that you can eat it in the car, which was really important, and firm white. That was 7 minutes in the air fryer, 170 degrees, you get that. So I did that. That took 7 minutes. But also in here, back down so you guys can have a good look. But also in here, I just have some fresh cucumber that I've just put some salt and pepper on. And this actually here is I make my own kimchi. So I make my own sugar-free kimchi, which is really healthy, really good for us as well. I'll share that recipe with you guys too, because it's a good one. It's been kind of macerating in for about a month. You don't have to leave it that long. You don't have to leave it a couple of days, but I've left it for a month, and it is fabulous little bit of kimchi there. So that is a little bit more protein, a bit more vegetables, a little bit of flavor, because remember it's all about flavor. And then just at the front here, I have the salad part. Whoops. So I've just got obviously fresh lettuce leaves. I've got some coconut flakes in there as well. I have some more nuts in the way of walnuts. And then down here, because I'm all about the healthy fats, I've just got some cheese. Would that not be the most fabulous little way to be eaten in the car? And this is going to be handed out to everyone in the car. They're going to get one of these and we're going to munch away. But the last thing I'm going to hand around in the car so we can eat as we're going is in this container. I have my pickled onion juice because we need to pour that over the salad as we're going, and then we can eat our little roadie salads as we're hopping in the car. But you know what, because I love my family so much, I love you guys just as much, don't worry, this is why I share all these recipes, I'm also taking some of my feijoa and coconut sponge cakes that I made and shared with you this morning. I'm taking some of those as well. So we get our little treat, we get our wonderful roadie salad. But you know what, you don't have to just, if you don't have these containers that actually have the compartments, I do like them because they keep everything separate, which means that my salad doesn't wilt, which is really important. But because I haven't added any dressing, you can also, look, you can do something like just into a normal container, but you can see how I've kept everything separate as well. This is for one person. This one here is for 2 people. So there's a little bit more happening in there. That's a 2-person salad. So you can still see that I've kept everything into separate little compartments without actually having the compartments. And when it's time to eat, I'm going to grab up my little pickled onion juice, pour it over, mix everything together, and that is a roadie salad for us today as we head up to the Hunter Valley. I cannot wait. I will share with you, I'm going to a most amazing restaurant tonight. I'm going to share with you guys this restaurant. If you want to go and have a little bit of a sneaky peek, they're called Yellow Billy and they're based right in the Hunter, and they cook everything in flames, on open fire. It is absolutely phenomenal. It's one of the best meals I've had in such a long time. I'm going there to have dinner tonight. Cannot wait. I'm going to share with you what we're eating because it is literally, I'm super excited. I'm going to eat this and that's all I'm going to eat until I get to Yellow Billy tonight in the Hunter Valley. So thank you for joining me today. I'll keep in contact with you as we're going throughout the weekend as well. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.